It's not possible for the SEC to win the case against Ripple. It's a big story, right? It is backed by some of the world's most powerful people and the smartest crypto experts, though. Last but not least, the due date for the case has been posted online. And believe me, it's moving. Also, crypto experts think that XRP Ripple will grow, which could shake up the whole crypto market. This is too important to miss. Let's do it one step at a time. Nota bene. Okay, there are new developments in the Ripple vs. SEC legal case that could change the course of Ripple's journey and possibly set a big precedent in the crypto world. The fight between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has been the talk of the industry. Both sides are arguing over whether XRP is a security under US law. Recently, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, said through Jack that Gary Gensler's reign of terror will stop very soon. It's over, sec. It's clear that the people in charge of Ripple feel stronger and maybe even closer to winning than ever. As the US federal courts push for a deal, the situation could become very different. Judge Phyllis Hamilton, who is in charge of the case, has told both Ripple and the SEC that they might be able to settle some claims instead of going to court for a long time. There is an important catch to this idea. Even if they decide to throw out some claims, those claims could be brought up again after Ripple's appeal in 2025. This would give Ripple more room to focus on its main points during the appeals process, while it would make it harder for the SEC to make its case on all fronts at the same time. CEO Brad Garlinghouse of Ripple and XRP2, a company that is part of Ripple, are pushing for a clear decision in their case so that the SEC can't change its mind. People who own XRP, led by Bradley Sostak, have joined forces with Garlinghouse to demand a clear decision. They also want state-level claims to be put on hold until the main case is over. In a surprising turn of events, the SEC is stepping up its efforts and reviewing charges against Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsson. The SEC's decision to bring new claims against these executives shows that it plans to vigorously enforce regulations in the crypto business. The SEC was going to send its main reasons for the appeal by January 15th, while Ripple has hired more lawyers to get ready for this fight. The appeals court could set a new standard for how crypto assets are controlled and seen in the eyes of US law. Everything is on the line. The crypto community is keeping a close eye out for signs that the court might side with Ripple as they get ready for their appeal in January. Over the past few years, the SEC has been closely looked at for what some see as an abuse of its governing power. And this case has become a rallying point for people who want rules to be simpler and more consistent. With a pre-trial meeting set for December 19th and the main trial starting on January 21st, one of the most important court decisions in the history of cryptocurrency may soon be made public. This case has shown how regulatory officials and innovative blockchain companies can clash as they both try to make sense of an industry that is getting more complicated and changing quickly. If Ripple is able to refute the SEC's claims, it could give other blockchain projects and companies more power that have felt limited by US regulators' close attention. The case's result is also very important for people who own XRP because they have been waiting years for a clear answer. For now, Ripple and the SEC have until November 4th to decide whether to follow the judge's suggestion or go ahead with full court processes. These next steps will have a big impact on the future of Ripple and maybe even crypto in the US. Interesting, right? And believe me, the turns in this case could shake up the whole crypto world. What does this mean for the price and future of XRP? We have some top crypto experts' thoughts that might surprise you. Stay tuned, because what they say will happen will completely change the game. Even though the XRP market is busy, a lot of people in the crypto world are focused on what's happening with Bitcoin. Meta says that everyone is so focused on Bitcoin that they haven't noticed that XRP has once again hit 53 cents. But for people who really believe in XRP, the real interest goes far beyond the present price. It's about how to get XRP to its full potential. Some people, like Ripple Lord, think XRP could go as high as $300, but he thinks that even doubting a $100 goal is too low. In any case, those goals are still the subject of guesswork. At this point, Dark Defender's plan shows the most clear steps that XRP needs to take to reach its goals. Based on a technical study that lasted a year, Dark Defender's analysis has found that 66 cents is a key amount of resistance. He thought that if it went through this level, it could lead to a rise to $1.80, then $5.80, and even $18.20. Elliott Wave Theory, which looks at price trends and market cycles, is what his method is based on. In the past few months, XRP has been going up in line with Dark Defender's predictions. It reached 93 cents after the summary ruling in the Ripple case in July. For a short time, this rise went above his original target of 89 cents for the first wave of a bullish pattern. This rally showed how strong XRP is and how investors believe in its long-term path. After this peak, a corrective pullback was predicted, and it happened. Support for XRP was found around 38 cents, which is close to the 23% Fibonacci retracement level. This correction set up a strong base of support. Since then, XRP has been moving in a narrower range between 48 and 52 cents, but it hasn't been able to break through the 66 cents barrier yet. Dark defenders often call this level the final boss. And it's the hardest barrier that XRP has had to deal with many times. Crossing this line on any big time frame like daily, weekly, or monthly could give XRP the boost it needs to reach its next goal of $1.80. Dark Defender is hopeful because he sees a difference between the weekly and monthly charts for XRP. The weekly price action may be a sign to be careful, but the monthly chart is more bullish, which means that this long-term trend is still possible as long as the support holds. For him to be right, XRP needs to stay above important support levels, especially 39 cents. Dark Defender thinks that XRP will not go down by a large amount if it tests and stays at this level, keeping its motion going up. He does admit, though, that a double dip scenario in which XRP goes back to its previous lows is possible, though he doesn't think it will happen. The Dark Defender's views give us a look at how XRP could go up in value. And for people who own or want to buy XRP, the next few weeks could be very important. If XRP gets past that important resistance, it could pave the way for the amazing price levels that Ripple's biggest fans have been expecting for a long time. Didn't you know this was going to happen? We're still making progress. XRP is quietly setting itself up as a game changer behind the scenes, with technology that could change the way money works. And believe me, what's happening now could make the price of XRP Ripple go through the roof. Don't leave yet, because what we're about to reveal will amaze you. So the fact that more and more big banks around the world are starting to use XRP is laying the groundwork for what could be a huge increase in its value. XRP News said that the fact that banks and big businesses accept the token shows how trustworthy it is and how much promise it has. With each new financial relationship, XRP gets closer to being used by most people. This could cause its price to reach all-time highs. In a big step forward for the cryptocurrency world, Ripple Lord recently announced that MasterCard is going to release an XRP debit and credit card. This could make XRP much more useful for everyday activities. This partnership changes everything because it brings XRP straight to consumers and shows that it can be used for more than just investing. People may use XRP as a form of payment more often once this card is out in the world, making new people want it, which changes the market price. In a broader sense, Ripple's main goal is to fix the problem of slow and expensive foreign payments, which are currently only possible through the SWIFT. SWIFT has been the standard for international payments for a long time, but it's slow, expensive, and not good for the digital economy. With its XRP-powered technology, Ripple is a strong option. As Emil pointed out in her study of a recent Forbes report, XRP could replace SWIFT because it allows transactions to happen almost instantly at a fraction of the cost. This would make it a faster and more efficient way to send money across borders. Think about this. It only takes seconds to finish a transaction on Ripple's network, but days to do the same thing through SWIFT. Not only is this faster, it also costs less. Because Ripple has low transaction fees, both financial companies and users can save a lot of money. Ripple's blockchain technology improves security and openness, which are becoming more and more important for financial companies that want to modernize their business. A number of companies have already adopted Ripple's technology for making payments across borders, showing that its influence has already been felt in the field. The fact that big banks are becoming more confident in XRP only makes its usefulness stand out and encourages more people to use it.